Let's fill out the Minnesota Cat Bill of Sale together, so both sides walk away with clear, dated proof of the sale and the cat's details. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the cat. Add the name if it has one, then the breed, the sex, the date of birth, any registration or microchip number, the color, and the health condition. Specifics make a stronger record of exactly which animal changed hands. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example $8,500, paid all at once by check. Write the real price. A figure that does not match what actually changed hands leaves the buyer with weaker proof and can raise questions later. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're buying a cat from a pet dealer in this state, here's what the law requires them to provide you. First, the dealer must give you a written disclosure covering quite a bit of information, including the name, address, and USDA license number of the breeder and any broker who handled the animal. It also needs to include the cat's date of birth, the date the dealer received the animal, and the breed, sex, color, and any identifying marks. You'll also get the individual tag, tattoo, or collar number, the names and registration numbers of the sire and dam, the litter number, and a full record of inoculations, worming treatments, and any medication the cat received while in the dealer's care. The dealer must also provide a health statement, either a signed statement that the cat has no known health problems. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.